Good morning. Today we will do practical. Okay. First experiment. Experiment number one. That is meter bridge. Our aim of the experiment is to find the resistance of the wire and hence its resistivity using meter bridge. So this theory I have explained in the theory class. This experiment. This meter bridge we have already studied in theory class just last week only, right? So our aim is to find the resistance of a wire. So wire will be given to you and you have to find the resistance of that wire and its resistivity. Okay, so what are the apparatus we need? Here we will use meter bridge, cell. Meter bridge means, so this apparatus what you see is meter bridge. Okay, so with meter bridge we will use cells mean battery. This is the battery. And key, this is key means switch. Resistance box, this is the resistance box we can uh, put any resistance. Okay, from 0.1 ohm to 1000 ohm, 3000 ohm resistance. Whatever resistance we want, we can make it. Okay, using this resistance box, resistance wire. So this is the resistance wire. This is the wire. This wire will be given to you, and we have to find the resistance of this wire. Okay, resistance wire, galvanometer. So this is the galvanometer. It is used to detect current, whether the current is flowing or not. So this will help us to find the balance point of this meter bridge. Galvanometer jockey, connecting with jockey. Okay, galvanometer is connected with jockey, so jockey can slide over this wire and we can find the balance point or balance length. Screw, so screw to connect all these wire, galvanometer, meter box, extra. Okay, and then screw gauge also. Screw gauge is to measure the thickness of the wire. So we have to find the resistivity. So in order to find resistivity, there we have to find the area of the wire, right? This wire, right? Area of the wire. So in order to find the area, we need to know the radius of the wire. So because this is a circle, right? So area of the circle is pi r square, pi r square. So we need this radius. So we will use screw gauge first to find the diameter, and then we will divide by 2, so you will get radius, and then meter scale. So this meter scale, so we can measure the length where we get the balance point. So first you have to set up your apparatus like this by connecting. So this one is unknown resistance is X. First set up the apparatus by connecting all the cells, key, galvanometer, resistance box, resistance wire, extra. Also, this is the theory. So this is the theory. So here, this is the formula to find the unknown resistance. This wire, unknown resistance of this wire. And then this is the formula to find the resistivity. resistivity of the wire. So now observation. So now I will give you the reading and you have to calculate. Okay, so first, see, unknown resistance is in right gap, nah? So this is left gap, this is right gap. So here we will not use this left gap, okay, because unknown resistance we keep in right gap. So if we don't use this, then we will not need this one. So this is L, okay, L. Here we have to find the value of L, or we have to write the value of L. Make this as one column only. Okay, so I will write here. So first, how you are going to do the experiment. First, you have to give some value of resistance in this resistance box. Okay, now I will give here 0.5 resistance. I will keep 0.5 resistance here in this left gap. So you have to note down this 0.5. Nah? R is 0.5. Okay, now after putting 0.5 ohm resistance, now you have to move this jockey over this wire until you find a balance point. Okay, until you will find this galvanometer here. There is a one needle, nah? It will move like this, like this, like this. Okay, if you slide over this this needle will move like this, like this. Okay, now until you have to search a point in this wire in such a way that it will not move. Okay, nah? It will in such a way that it will not move. Let's say we got the first point at, at this point. Okay, any point. Okay, let's see. Oh, I will give you the reading from here. Let's say we got 58.3 centimeter. Okay, this is 50, nah? 55. Let's say we got at this point. Okay, at this point, when the jockey is here, at this point the galvanometer shows zero deflection, means no deflection, it is not moving. So we have to find the this length. This length is how much? We got it on 58 point, how much? 58.3 centimeter. So this is L value. Okay, L equal to 58.3. Now you have to note down here. So it is 58.3, nah? Like this. After that, now again change the resistance. Okay, this resistance, change this resistance. So now I will give you 0.7. Make this 0.7 ohm. 0.7. Now again move this galvano or this jockey over this wire again until you find the balance point. Now you will get the balance point at 60.7. Okay, let's say here we got the balance point 60.7, 60.7 centimeter. So note down here 60.7. Like this you will do again and again. Okay, so I will just give you the reading. First third is 1 ohm, and 1 ohm 60.9 or 61.3, 61.9. Number 4 is 1.5. 61.1. 61.1. So these are the readings. Now this is L. Okay, this is L value. Okay, L value. Now find what is 100 minus L. 100 minus L means this 58. L is 58.3, 60.7. Here you have to write. Okay, first one is 100 minus L is 58.3. 100 minus 58.3 and right here. Second one 100 minus 60.7 right here. Like this you have to do for all these four values. Okay, after that find the value of x. So x equal to L. L is how much? This one. L divided by 100 minus L. 100 minus L is this one into R. R is 0.5. First one calculate it and right here. For second one also do the same. Third one also do the same. Fourth one also do the same. After that mean x. After that find the mean of all these four. So there are four observations, so plus all the four and then divided by 4 and you will get it right here. Okay, and now you have to measure this length also. What is the length of the wire given to you? Let's say this length of wire is 10 centimeter, so you convert into meter because we will need meter. Okay, everything will be calculated in meter. Let's say the length of the wire is 10 centimeter. Now write the mean here. Okay, now how to find the radius of the wire, small wire. This wire, what is the radius of this wire, because we need the area of that wire, so here you will use screw gauge. So screw gauge you have done in class 11, right? So I will just give you the value of least count pitch extra. So the screw gauge pitch is 1 millimeter. Total number of division on the circular scale, it is 100 division. So least count of the screw gauge will be 0.01 millimeter. So zero error, no need to write anything. So now how to measure the radius of wire? You have to take the wire and keep in the screw gauge, and you have to tie it, right? You know how to do screw gauge calculation. So I will just give you the reading only. So the main scale reading is 0 0 0. So here we have three reading, 1 2 3, and circular scale reading is 43 42 43. So what is the total reading? That means diameter, d equal to, or here d equal to MSR plus least count into CSR, so MSR is this one, CSR is this one, and least count is this one, so you will get here 4 reading, after that take the mean right here, mean. Okay, and then mean radius, mean diameter you will get here, you will get 3 diameter, right? So take the mean right here, and then this diameter convert into radius, so you just need to divide it by 2, right? So this is in millimeter, so convert into centimeter, meter. Okay, so millimeter you have to convert it into meter. Okay, after that mean resistance x is this one, this one, right? Put the value here. Mean diameter or mean radius, put the value here in meter. Okay, this is in millimeter na, so convert into meter. Okay, I need in meter only. Now after that, the resistivity of the metals of the conductor, using this formula you can find the resistivity nah? So after finding the resistivity, so resistance of the wire, how much it is x nah? X, resistivity of the wire, rho nah? Resistance of the wire, so x, mean x, okay, mean x right here, and resistivity of the wire, this one nah? So now this is the result.